Christina Amador with Christina Amador Beauty, and today we're on location at Salon de Dumani in Copiague, New York. Today I'm going to teach you how to do purple scene makeup. Okay, so to begin, I'm just going to take a purple eyeshadow and apply this to Kelly's eyelid. Okay, open. Perfect. And then I'm going to line her eyes with a black pencil. So look all the way up. So on their inner rim, okay, perfect. And then I'm going to take an angle brush, dip it in some black eyeshadow, and then close your eyes. And I'm going to line her top eye. And I'm just going to line her eyes with this. Okay, open. Perfect. Okay, look up. And you can also take the same black eyeshadow with the smudging brush, dip it in the black, and then look up and just smudge a little bit of the black eyeshadow right under her eyes. Perfect. And that is how you do purple scene makeup. Thank you for watching.